Today on Unpacked, we are doing a shave off remix. So almost exactly 2 years ago, we bought starter kits and refill kits from both Harry's and Dollar Shave just to see how they were packaged, just go through the unboxing process. Hi, I'm Brent, and today on Unpacked, we're gonna be doing another unboxing video. This one is quite literally an unboxing video for a couple of online subscription shave programs. So we've got Dollar Shave and Harry's. And here we are. We wanted to give an update. Let's see how they've changed and how they've morphed as brands. Let's dig into these and see what we've got. So first off, we have Dollar Shave. They've totally changed their boxes. You know, they had a lot more kind of playful slogans on the outside. Now it says, "We got you." So I'm not sure. Yeah, new look, DSC, Dollar Shave Club. Kind of has a DSW vibe to it. All right, welcome to the club. Man, so Dollar Shave had a really tongue-in-cheek vibe that I loved. And I think that was their edge on Harry's, and their differentiator was that they were super tongue-in-cheeky and fun. They have set that aside. I mean, they used to have a bunch of interesting branding and messaging, and so they still have a little guide, the 9 years issue, some reading material. So in here, we have some just expanding paper. Cool. We've got the razors. They have changed the tray. You know, still a couple of materials combined. Polystyrene, like a clear and a black polystyrene tray. The handle itself is different, a little bit nicer rubber feel. And then, oh, there's another pack of razors, a twofer. Lastly, they have a tube in here of shave butter. So yeah, I'm actually a little disappointed. I felt like I loved the personality that Dollar Shave had. And I think they've really kind of commercialized. Now, they were purchased, and I don't know if that has anything to do with where that personality went. They were independent when we bought the last one, and now they are part of Unilever. So yeah, I don't know if that's really where that change came from, if they just are a safer, more connectable brand. That actually brings me back to a conversation that I had with somebody recently that was, why are these smaller brands who have a lot more to lose, because it's maybe their everything, take so many more risks? And these smaller brands really narrow in on a specific market, a target market. You know, the Dollar Shave, the way that they talked, the voice and the tone that they had zeroed in on a very targeted customer. As you scale into a larger brand, you have to scale. You got to get bigger in order to get attention within that brand, in order to meet the demands of that brand and that parent brand. And this, a lot of times, that what comes with that is watering down a little bit as far as some of that tone. You've got to appeal to the masses more. You've got to be less offensive or polarizing is probably the best word for that. And so I think that's maybe where Dollar Shave has gone. Let's look at Harry's. Harry's was already you know, a pretty good sized brand, and they had taken a different route. Rather than being tongue-in-cheek, they were much more sophisticated, still had a fun vibe, but yeah, just had a lot like cleaner, more sophisticated aesthetic and tone. So this is largely unchanged. I think it's exactly the same as it was 2 years ago with this pack here. It is exactly the same. Same pouch that's in here. Kind of a metallized foil pouch inside of the box, which just has some nice interior print on it. It doesn't look like they have changed a bit. in the last 2 years. And that is confirmed. Yeah, this looks exactly the same as it did then. So yeah, interesting. I think they already had a broader appeal. Again, not much less edgy and offensive. They had a market that was already pretty broad, and they just had this. They have a playful, woolly mammoth, and just an interesting vibe to the way that they approach brand. So they've been able to maintain. Dollar Shave, however, had to appeal to the masses a little bit more. So, I think it's a little unfortunate. I really liked Dollar Shave as a brand. I thought they were killing it. Incredibly tasteful. As a product, I actually liked the product a little bit better. But it's just interesting to see how these brands have changed. And this Dollar Shave story is incredibly consistent with a lot of brands when they go into mass scale. So if you have any other brands that you've seen this story play out in, this transformation, drop a comment below and let us know if you know if there's some other brands that we should unpack. Until next time, shave off.